Dance, a beacon of innovation, shaping.
The journey recommences. Pure plastic pellets, glistening like jewels, begin their silent, precise descent into the heart of creation. Advanced spectroscopy probes. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where precision meets innovation. Witness the intricate journey inside a plastic mold factory. Every product we touch, every device we use, begins its life as raw material, shaped by ingenuity. Our journey begins with the purest plastic pellets, meticulously sourced and prepared, the foundation of every creation. Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection. Our commitment to excellence starts with the raw material itself, ensuring perfection. Automated precision ensures every measurement is exact, feeding the heart of our operations with unwavering accuracy and efficiency. Before transformation, the raw plastic undergoes precise drying, removing any moisture to ensure the highest quality molding. It's essential.
Within the dryer, each pellet is perfectly conditioned, preparing it for the intense heat and pressure of the molding process ahead.
The hydraulic clamps lock with immense force, sealing the mold, preparing for the incredible pressure that will shape raw material.
Molten plastic, glowing like liquid fire, is injected with incredible force, filling every intricate detail of the precision mold.
In the control room, every parameter is meticulously monitored in real time, guaranteeing flawless execution and
After injection, rapid cooling solidifies the plastic, ensuring structural integrity and precise dimensions. This critical step defines durability.
With a powerful hiss, the mold opens, revealing the first glimpse of a new creation.
A robotic arm, with unparalleled precision, gently extracts the newly molded components, ensuring their pristine condition from birth. On the inspection line, optical sensors meticulously scan each component, verifying perfection, ensuring only flawless pieces continue their journey.
Each component undergoes a rigorous purification, washed with pristine water, ensuring a flawless surface for all subsequent processes.
Powerful air knives swiftly dry each piece, eliminating every trace of moisture, preparing them for the next intricate stage of transformation. Ultrasonic welding creates invisible, molecular bonds, fusing components with precision and strength, guaranteeing a product built to endure. Along the assembly line, robotic arms precisely inset intricate hardware, integrating every tiny detail with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Every tiny screw is driven with absolute precision, securing components with unwavering strength, ensuring durability down to the smallest detail.
In the hands of a young female East Asian master artisan, the plastic awakens.
Automated optical scanners meticulously capture every dimension, verifying precision, ensuring each product meets.
The gleaming logo, a symbol of our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation, now proudly adorns each finished masterpiece.
With the final approval stamp, each product receives its ultimate mark of quality, signifying readiness for the world.
Behold the culmination of precision and passion. Our finished products, gleaming under the lights, ready to captivate the world.
Every curve, every line, every texture speaks of meticulous design and flawless execution.
Finally, our creations grace the most exquisite showrooms, presented as works of art, inviting admiration and desire. More than a price, it's a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship, innovative design, and a commitment to enduring quality.
As day turns to night, the factory continues its tireless dance, a beacon of innovation, shaping
The journey recommences. Pure plastic pellets, glistening like jewels, begin their silent, precise descent into the heart of creation. Advanced spectroscopy probes each pellet's molecular core, ensuring absolute purity and optimal composition for unparalleled product integrity.
Through a network of pneumatic tubes, perfectly blended pellets are swiftly transported, a testament to our seamless and efficient material flow.
Into the heated barrel they go, where precision melting transforms solid pellets into a uniform, molten stream, ready for shaping.
Within the barrel, the molten plastic is homogenized to perfection, ensuring every molecule is uniform, guaranteeing flawless structural integrity. Regular sampling confirms perfect material homogeneity, guaranteeing consistent quality and color throughout every production run. The injection ram unleashes immense pressure, forcing molten plastic into every intricate cavity, perfectly replicating the mold's precise design. Within the clamped mold, the plastic solidifies, faithfully capturing every intricate detail, a testament to the mold's exquisite engineering.
The mold opens, revealing a pristine product, perfectly formed, a testament to precision engineering and meticulous execution.
With a precise snip, the sprue is removed, leaving a flawless finish, a testament to automated refinement and meticulous craftsmanship. Freshly molded, the products gently cool, passing under precise air jets, ensuring their structural integrity and readiness for the next stage. Automated deburring refines every edge to perfection, eliminating imperfections, ensuring a smooth, flawless tactile experience for every user.
Result: a perfectly deburred edge, smooth and flawless to the touch, a testament to our relentless pursuit of perfection.
The heat stake joint, an invisible testament to strength and seamless integration, ensuring lasting durability for every component.
Subassemblies glide towards final integration, guided by intelligent projections, ensuring every component finds its perfect place. Multiple experts conduct the final visual inspection, leaving no detail unchecked, ensuring every product meets our uncompromising standards.
The restored surface, now flawless and seamless, embodies our dedication to perfection, a testament to
the ultimate validation, an automated seal, a holographic mark of final approval, affirming unwavering quality and readiness for the world.
The culmination of precision and passion, our finished product, rotating in its glory, a true.
Every intricate detail, every textured surface speaks volumes of the artistry and engineering meticulously woven into its very essence.
In our dedicated studio, every product, exquisitely packaged, is artfully captured, immortalizing its beauty for the world to see.
Through the lens of artistic vision, every angle is meticulously composed, ensuring the product's true premium essence is perfectly captured.
A visual symphony of perfection. Stunning images capture every facet, conveying.
In our hyper-efficient, automated warehouse, every product is meticulously prepared for its journey, reaching destinations across the globe.
Automated guided vehicles seamlessly transport products, ensuring precise, damage-free movement throughout our sophisticated logistics network.
From our docks, each branded package embarks on its final journey, delivered reliably to customers around the world.
Our creations find their place in prestigious showrooms, where discerning eyes appreciate the fusion of art.
The moment of connection. A discerning hand embraces the product, feeling the culmination of precision, passion, and unparalleled quality.